In this video I'm going to demonstrate the chord progression for Bob Marley's song No Woman No Cry, and you'll hear some major triads and a minor seventh chord and also a rather interesting passing chord. So in the beginning, the opening chord is the dominant or the G chord in the key of C, and the bass line has a walking pattern. And then resolves onto the C chord. And then the bass line steps down through the first inversion of the G chord or the dominant chord. Then here's that minor seventh chord, and this is A minor with a seventh interval built above the A. So using the scale notes of C, we would have a G natural, not a G sharp. So that gives the chord a nice mellow sound, this minor seventh interval. Going on to chord 4, same harmony but different inversion. Now chord 1, C, and here's that interesting little patch. So if I isolate it, chord 4 or F, here's the passing chord, which is actually a C chord over an F in the bass, moving back again to a regular F triad, and then resolving onto the C chord. So I'll play that little patch at speed. C chord, F chord, C. And again. So it creates a nice change of chord color, having that C chord over an F bass, back to C. Just for fun, you might want to try a different bass line in that patch. C chord going to the F chord as usual, and then walking through an E minor chord instead of the C chord, using an E minor with the E in the bass, and then stepping down again to a D in the bass with a D minor chord on top, and resolving onto the C chord. I'll play that at speed and you can hear the difference. And I'll play it with the lower bass. And now I'll play the original version. So each of them have their pluses. Just depends on the taste that your ear requires, whether you prefer a more static harmony, which is the original version of the song played by Bob Marley and the Wailers, or whether you like to decorate the harmony a little bit more and have a much stronger walking bass line.